Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is my BLT 3 ways. Don't buy store-bought bacon, make your own. Check out that video, or that video, or I probably have another video. You should make bacon at home. Have you seen the price of bacon at the store? What was it last time? 2 pounds for $19.99? So almost $10 a pound. That's stupid. So this is homemade bacon. It's going in the oven at 450 degrees. Close it and just don't forget about it. Smoke alarms will tell us if it's gone too long. That's one of our bacons. The other bacon is this right here, beautiful thin sliced bacon. Look at this. Thin sliced bacon. Cold pan. Can you cook more than one layer of bacon at a time? Yes, it's fine. It's not going to hurt anything. Oh, it's on high just till I can start hearing it. Then I'm going to turn it down because I want the fat to render. I want a nice crispy bacon. Got this cooling rack right here so we can take it out and we can set it on there. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, smell it. Smell it? This one right here, we're doing something special with. We're going to try and cut this perfectly in half. Ta-da. That one is prepped and ready, but we are not doing anything with that one yet, because I only have one Smithy cast iron pan available in a link down below. Yes, I have links down below, and yes, they do pay me a little bit sometimes. That's if people buy stuff. So BLT, what does it consist of? Bacon. So you can hear it back here. Bacon is starting to come together. So we're gonna take this temperature, we're gonna roll it down to medium. Check this one. This one's gonna take some time. Lettuce and tomatoes. So we got to make it look pretty. We'll make a flour. Flour. We got a variety of tomatoes. Okay, this is Alaska. Look how nice this tomato is. Watch. You can even see my imprint. We don't want a soggy BLT. We want a bacony, delicious BLT. So what we were looking at is these hothouse tomatoes because they'll probably be the best, the driest tomato. We want medium cut tomatoes. We're gonna get some color in here. We had this beautiful cutting board made from Nordic woods that was sent to us. Everybody was complaining because I was using plastic. Plastic is in everything. And this is Chef Dad smoked salt, hopefully available soon. Tomatoes, do you have to season them? No. Should you season them? Yes. Fresh cracked pepper. So we're gonna get these spread out. Your bacon's going to continue cooking after you get it out of the pan. Got a couple pieces left that I want to get just a little more color on. Your bacon will continue to cook after it comes out of the pan. So if you get it crispy in the pan, it's going to go beyond out of the pan. One portion. Man, I need a bigger cast iron pan. That's gonna get hot. Okay, bacon, I'm happy with it. Oh no, oh no. Oh, look at that. Look how we just ingenious that. Where's my weights? My weights. Oh, right there, I see one. I see one. Will that fit in there? Too big. That one doesn't fit either. There's one. There we go. That'll work, and I'm gonna balance that. Check that out. Pull this out here. And we're gonna flip that over. And I'm gonna drop it to about 300 degrees. And I'm just gonna let it ride. My bacon was cooked to 165 degrees internal. That means it is ready to eat just like that. What's your favorite bread to eat your BLT on? Mine is sourdough. Light layer of butter. So they're gonna be lightly toasted. Bread, griddle. Beautiful, light toasting, like asked. Oh, yep, so beautiful. I'm gonna say that's lightly toasted. This isn't this sourdough, obviously, different sourdough. Whoop. We want this to be perfect. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is almost done. That bacon is done. The bread is ready. We've got tomatoes, lettuce, Onions. We don't have any onions cut, but we're not going to put onions on it because it's a BLT. I mean, it's a canvas. It's a blank canvas. I'm going to take these off. And we're going to pull that beautiful bacon steak out. Okay, we're going to build these two very similar. Best Food mayo, not sponsored. The only mayo you should buy. Some mayonnaise. How much mayonnaise you put on here is dependent on what you're after. I like a nice thick layer. By thick, I mean like that. Lettuce. We're going to go on with a beautiful piece of lettuce. I'm going to break it just so that it fits perfect. This is just this is going to be like level 1, level 2. And we're going to go on this way. You thought I was going to go the other way, didn't you? Okay, so there is Classic BLT. Second one. We're going to go with a couple different colors here. Okay, just like that. Look at this beauty. It is super hot. And I'm going to put it on at an angle to try and get the most bread coverage. That is our level 2, or is that our level infinity? That is a bacon steak BLT. Here is our bread for the third one. Here we go. Check this out. Bacon. I am going to put mayonnaise on this. We're going to use some of this inner lettuce from the head of lettuce to make this one perfect. I think that's going to be perfect. And now we're going to crown our Pure BLT. BLT, BLT Level Infinity, and the Purest. Look at that, beautiful. We all know what it tastes like. It's beautiful, it's amazing. It's a BLT, it's amazing. It's homemade bacon, so it's 10 times better than anything that you can get anywhere else. That's a Classic BLT. Look at that. I think that one might have enough meat in it. And look at the juiciness. Oh, you talk about your brisket? Yeah, that's juicy. And yes, that is cooked all the way through. It was cooked all the way through before I cooked it a second time. So I don't like ham. But that is like a ham sandwich that's flavored as bacon. The texture is ham. Now for our Purest BLT. Look at that. Feel like a mad scientist. This is BLT at its purest. I got stuff everywhere. You don't miss the bread. That is a Pure BLT. Now, I would bring other people in to enjoy this, but I'm not going to. Those two are mine. YouTube picked that video for you. I picked that video for you. That is a subscription button. Smash it, crush it, push it, do whatever you got to do to it. Subscribe, get us to 100,000. Send this to your grandma. Send it to somebody in Guatemala. I don't care. Send it to everybody that you know. Thanks, everybody.